Hello, and in today's 5 Minute Friday, we're going to discuss how to share Dronelink missions with other people. Sharing missions is an important feature that allows people to see all the details of your mission, or even allows more than one person to edit a mission. The most common use, however, is to allow people to see the full details of your mission when asking for help on the forums. There are two ways to share a mission. Contributor access allows you to share the mission to edit directly, and viewer access allows them to see the mission, but if they want to make any changes, they'll have to make a copy of it. I would never share contributor access on an open forum, as anyone that clicks on the link can change the mission without your knowledge, and it's all too easy to make a change in a plan without realizing it and cause real problems. I'm going to assume that you're creating a link to ask for help on the Dronelink forum, which is a great resource with many helpful people. As such, I'm only going to show the viewer option. So let's get to it. Start by opening Dronelink in a browser, not the app. You can go through the app to get here, and I will show that later. Find the mission you want to share and click on it to enter it in edit mode. Then click on the three dots next to the mission name and select Share from the drop-down. Click on the New Share button and then select Viewer. You can click on Send Email and it would open your email client. However, I'm going to assume that you need a link to paste into a forum question, and so we're going to select Direct Link, so click on that button. A new window will appear with a link, and the link is already highlighted. However, it is not copied into your clipboard yet, so press Ctrl+C or Command+C on a Mac to copy it, and then click OK. You're now ready to go into the Dronelink forum and post your question, including the link. This will significantly improve the chances of getting an answer to your question quickly. In fact, it's quite common that the helpful people on the forum will create a copy of your mission, fix the error, and send back a new version for you. Before we finish, I did want to quickly show how you can get to this from the Dronelink app if you're using a mobile device. In that case, open the app on your phone or tablet, click on the three dots next to the mission name and select Edit Plan. Now click the three dots on the left hand side and, as before, select Share Plan. You can now select Contributor or Viewer and copy the link as before. One final item. If you no longer want the plan to be shared, you can follow the same instructions as before, but now you'll see a list of shared plans at the top. Simply click on the little trash can icon to delete the link, and the mission is no longer shared. And that's it. As always, I hope you found this useful. Feel free to send me any questions. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.